Okay, so here's another volume video. This is from section 1.6. It's not all of section 1.6, so we'll only look at the volume of spheres, and that section deals with both volume and surface area. Okay, so spheres. Spheres, again, look like something like this. This is the planet Earth. You may have heard of it. It is nearly spherical. It is approximated by a sphere. It has a few bumps on it, like mountains and things like that. A sphere, though, in a pure form is something like this on the right. It has a radius, and all the points on the sphere are all the points that are equidistant from a center point. In other words, they are all the points that are r distance away from a center. The volume of a sphere is given here. Now, this is just a formula you're going to need to know for now, and it'll be provided to you on tests and whatnot. The volume is 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Okay, so here's the first basic question. Find the volume of a sphere with a diameter of 12 inches. Now we should recall what a diameter really is. On this diagram, a diameter goes all the way across a sphere or all the way across a circle, and so we have a 12-inch diameter. The radius is exactly half of that. So we could say that the radius is 12 inches divided by 2, or 6 inches. Okay, so we can jump to an answer for this question then. The volume is 4/3 times pi times r cubed, and r we've calculated as 6. It's just a matter of typing all of this stuff in, so 4 times pi times 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 3, and that gives us a final answer that the volume of this sphere is 904 rounding up, we'll get 0.78 inches cubed, or cubic inches. Okay, here's one challenging problem here that will review surface area as well. We're asked to find the volume of a sphere given its surface area. Okay, so we know the surface area is 24 square inches, and we want to know the volume. Well, let's look at the formula for surface area. Surface area only depends on a single value, that is r. So we can find r by using that formula. Surface area is 4 times pi times r squared. Our surface area is 24, so we get that 24 is equal to 4 times pi times our mystery r value squared. Dividing by both 4 and pi, we get 24 over 4 pi equals r squared. And square rooting, we end up with 24 over 4 pi. All of that square rooted is equal to r. And we can type that into our calculator. That takes a little bit of work, but not too bad. Okay, typing it in, I get that the radius is approximately 1.9 inches. Okay, that's part one of the problem. Part two is to say, well, what is the volume itself, and answer the question. The volume is 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Well, we've just calculated r. R, we've discovered, is 1.9 inches. So to find the volume, I simply have to plug all this into my calculator. So that's 4 times pi times 1.9 cubed, all that divided by 3. And I get a final answer that the volume is 28.7 cubic inches. And we're done.